Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. This is a beginner friendly skincare routine. So this is a video for somebody who wants to start the skincare, or somebody who is doing skincare already but doesn't know when to apply the product, when to apply cleanser, toner, or when to apply treat on your skin. And also I'm going to show you some affordable product that you can actually put in your skincare routine. With the cost of living at the moment, everything is up. I'm going to show you some affordable product that you don't have to break your bank to have that flawless skin. So the first product I'm going to start with, for double cleansing, you can use either cleansing balm, or you can use this simple hydrating cleanser, or you can use this micellar water. So depending on what works for you, both of these products are very affordable. So this is going to be your first step in your skincare. The reason why you double cleanse is to help you break down the makeup on the sunscreen that you had during the day. So you can use micellar water, or you can use cleansing balm, depending on what you actually that works for you. So you just wipe your face with. You want to be gentle with your skin. Remember, skincare is self-love. You want to do it, you want to be very gentle with your skin. Then we move to cleanser. So cleanser, you need to know the type of your skin you have. When you know the type of skin you have, it will help you a lot to identify the type of cleanser you need for your skin type. So if you have normal to oily skin, you can use this product, but mostly I prefer, if you have oily skin, you can use this cleanser. If you are somebody who has dry skin, you can try this Cetaphil gentle skin cleanser. It's for normal to dry and sensitive skin. This product is very hydrating. You can try it. If you are somebody who is suffering from acne, you are somebody who's suffering from blemishes, dark spots, you can try the CeraVe SS smoothing cleanser. All these products, you will get them in drugstore, and they are affordable. And if you are somebody who just want to refresh your skin, you can use this simple refreshing facial wash. This 50 ml is around £1.50, but you can get 125 ml with around £3. So it depends with your skin type. So that's why I said, if you know the type of your skin, it will help you a lot to identify the type of cleanser. So you need to know how to use a product properly. Otherwise, you're going to break the bank by buying product every now and again without seeing any improvement in your skin. So let me show you how to use a cleanser. So in this video, I'm going to use the CeraVe foaming cleanser. You wet your face, then you take a cleanser, put it at the palm of your hand, turn it around your hands, then you massage the cleanser on your skin for 60 seconds. Massage the cleanser in your skin for 60 seconds. Then you go and rinse it off. Massaging the cleanser on the skin for 60 seconds helps the cleanser to work really well. I just love, because sometimes my skin, after using some product, my skin feels a little bit dry. So I normally use this Avene thermal water spray. You can skip this thermal water, but if you can get it, it helps a lot to hydrate the skin. Let's move to toners. Why toner? Toner helps to balance the skin pH. So after cleansing your skin, after removing the impurities with the cleanser, you want to apply toner to help to balance the pH in the skin. So you want to opt for alcohol-free toners. With alcohol-free toners, it means it won't dry your skin. If you go for toners with alcohol with them, it will actually dry your skin. So also with toners, we have different purposes. So if you are somebody who is suffering for hyperpigmentation, you can try the ordinary glycolic acid. Remember to use this product at night, and you only want to use it three times a week. Don't go more than that. To use this simple soothing facial toner, it's £2.50 at the time I bought it, 200 ml. Put a toner in a cotton pad, then you wipe it on your skin, or sometimes you can just pat dry it on your skin with your hands. You can help to remove any impurity that that your cleanser did not remove. So after toning your skin, this is when you want to go in with the serum. And also there are so many different serums out there. You can get hydrating serum if you have dry skin. You can also apply hyaluronic acid. You can apply this advanced nail mucin at this point. Help to hydrate your skin further. So this is the time that your treat comes in. Treat, cleansing, you tone, you treat. You can so because I'm doing this skincare during the day, I'm going to apply vitamin C after that. With vitamin C, there are different types of vitamin C. So you can use this Garnier vitamin C brightening serum. I like this product. It's very nice. It's affordable. It is around 10 pounds. If you're looking to brighten your skin, it also has niacinamide and it also has salicylic acid. So if you are somebody who is suffering from acne and acne dark spots, you can actually use this product. And also we have different vitamin C serums like this one from Inkilis. It's also very affordable. This is around 7 pounds. I'm going to use this vitamin C brightening serum from Garnier. I'm actually running out of it. You can just take a little bit of it, then you apply, you put in your palm, then you apply it on your skin. If your skin is very dull and you want to brighten your skin, you can actually use this vitamin C brightening serum from Garnier. It's after applying vitamin C serum, this is for morning skincare. You want to apply a moisturizer. Moisturizers also differs. So it depends with the skin type. If you are somebody who has dry skin, you can use this CeraVe. You can use this CeraVe moisturizing cream. If you are somebody who has combo skin, combination skin, you can use this Bioma. You can use this moisturizing gel cream from Bioma. I love this product. Both of them are great. So depending on your skin need, you product according to your skin need. So actually it's very dry outside. It's the start of autumn and it's so very dry outside. So I'm going to use this CeraVe because sometimes my skin changes. My skin type changes with the weather. Our skin type will always sometimes change with weather. So like right now, I have combination skin and my skin feels so very dry because of the change of weather. So you apply just a little bit of a moisturizing cream, and that's it. You don't have to complicate your skincare. So after applying your moisturizer, you want to apply a sunscreen. So sunscreen helps a lot. It doesn't matter what time of the year you are in. If you have a skin that looks like me, don't get into that narrative that some skin that looks like mine, you don't need a sunscreen. You need a sunscreen whether it's summer, winter, autumn, spring. You need to apply sunscreen in your skincare every time. I'm going to use this Dr. Paula sunscreen. It is SPF 50 and above, and also with the fact that you're applying vitamin C, some of vitamin C will make your skin very sensitive. So you want to make sure that you apply sunscreen to reduce the sensitivity. So apply this Dr. Paula. I love this product. It's it does absorb to the skin very well and it's very hydrating. That's it for the morning skincare. You don't have to complicate your skincare routine. You don't have to break the bank if you find something that works for you and it's 10 pounds or it's 5 pounds, stick to it. Make sure you use the product that suits your skin type, know your skin type. And that's for the morning skincare routine. I'll see you for the night skincare routine. And this is the night skincare routine. So for the night, you want to make sure that you focus on treating yourself, applying retinols, exfoliating your skin, because at night this is where all the magic happens. So the first thing you want to do, because during the day you might be having sunscreen, makeup, so you want to focus on double cleansing. You want to double cleanse your skin, and as I say in the morning, double cleansing, you can double cleanse with using cleansing balm, or you can use a makeup remover. So this simple hydrating cleansing oil, and also you start doing any skincare, your hands are clean. So this is how you use it. You just take a little bit of it, or you can use any cleansing balm of your choice, but I choose to use this. This is very affordable and it's very easy to reach out. In your hands, then you massage it. You want to apply a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil on a dry skin, then you want to massage it all on your skin, but you want to make sure you're always gentle. You're always gentle. Remember, skincare is self-love, and you want to make sure you do it very you are very gentle with your skin. You can add a little bit of water in it. You want to go in with your cleanser. Double cleansing help to remove all the impurities, all the sunscreen, everything that's in your skin, and makes your skin very clean. And also double cleansing help your serum and moisturizer to absorb much better in your skin. So I'm going to use this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, but you can use any cleanser of your choice. This Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser is around 118 ml, is around 10 pounds. Put it in your hands, rub it around, then after cleansing your skin, after double cleansing your skin, you want to go into the toner. As you want to use clay marks and detox your face with clay marks, you can use it at this stage. And after exfoliating your skin, you want to go in with toner. I'm going to use this Numbers-In toner. This is a very calming toner. I just love the way it leaves my skin. It is a pure full calming up toner. Very nice, very nice product, and it is a Korean product, so you can reach out to it. So in the morning I use the cotton pad, but at this time I want to show you how you can use your hands for toner. You just put the toner in your hands, then you apply it on your skin. You pat it on your skin. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so nice on the skin. After toning your face, this is where these products are now going to come. If you're somebody who wants to use snail mucin at night, you can use this advanced snail mucin at this point. It helps to hydrate the skin. Or if you want to use hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary, you can use it at this point. And also, if you are somebody who wants to exfoliate their skin with chemical exfoliant, you can use this Paula's Choice 2% BHA. This product is for you have dark spots, if you have acne scars, and if you are somebody who just want to brighten their skin, you can use this product. If you are somebody who also uses retinol, this is the time you can use retinols. You can use any retinol of your choice. I love using this CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. If you are starting retinol, or if you are a beginner who wants to start a retinol, start using this CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. It's a very good beginner friendly retinol. So video, I'm going to exfoliate my skin. I'm using this Paula's Choice 2% BHA. So you just put a little bit of it on your on the cotton pad, then you rub it on the skin, or you can just use your hands. This product is very expensive, so I bought this traveling size in Amazon at it was 11 pounds by the time I bought it, but you can buy the big one, which is around 34 pounds, depending on your budget. You can buy the big one. So after exfoliating your skin, you can go in and apply serum. So you can apply any serum of your choice. I'm using this Bioma hydrating serum. I feel like my skin at this moment, it's my skin is dry because of the change of the season. So you can apply any serum of your choice, or if you are those days that you just want to exfoliate your skin, you can just leave your skin like that after exfoliating, or you can go straight to moisturizing. After applying your favorite serum or essence, then you want to go ahead and apply eye cream. Eye cream help with puffiness, and also they help with dark circle around the eye. So you can use any, there are so many eye creams out there, and I'm going to use the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream, but you can use any. You can use any eye cream depending on your skin need. So you can apply it. You just want to be very gentle with the skin under the eye. After applying eye cream, this is where you apply your moisturizer. As I said in the morning, there's so many moisturizers out here depending on your skin needs, so you can use any moisturizer of your choice. So in this video, I'm going to use CeraVe moisturizing cream. I feel like my skin is very dry at the moment. I'm going to use the CeraVe moisturizing cream. It helps a lot if your skin is actually dry. So I'm just going to use a little bit of it. You don't need much. And there you have it. That is a complete morning and night skincare routine. Remember, consistency is the key. And also remember, you need to choose products that suits your skin type. So if you have oily skin, go for products for oily skin. If you have dry skin, go for products for dry skin. And if you have combination skin, go for products for combination skin. They will make your skin much better. And also remember, skincare is a form of self-love. If your skin looks healthy, better, it boosts your self-esteem. I remember when I used to have acne, my self-esteem sometimes was not that great, but once I started taking care of my skin, it improved and it's much better at the moment. So consistency, make sure you do that morning skincare, make sure you do that night skincare. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye. Love you.